Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terra's Kitchen. On today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make Oreo ice cream. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. In a clean bowl you're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, then you're going to whip it until it becomes smooth peaks. You should continue whipping until the cream turns as shown in the video. Then you're going to add a half cup of condensed milk. By the way, this condensed milk is homemade. I'll give you a recipe on that. Then you're going to add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then you're going to whip it until all the ingredients are well combined. Now that you're making Oreo ice cream, so you're going to crush in Oreo biscuits, then you're going to transfer the biscuits on the cream and make sure you give them a good mix so that they'll be well combined with the cream. You'll then transfer the ice cream in a clean container. Then you're going to place it in freezer for overnight and your ice cream will be ready. So the following day I removed my ice cream from the fridge. Then I opened it ready to be served. And as you can see, it was well frozen. So you're going to serve our ice cream and taste. To be honest, I'm really happy how this ice cream recipe turned out. It was so delicious and I'm sure you'll also give it a try. Kindly don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.